Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use Google Bard for coding. So Google Bard's actually been receiving a lot of updates recently and it is slowly becoming one of the best AIs out there. Now some of the things they have actually added recently will help a lot of programmers with their code and it will help them save time as well as just making their life a lot easier. So in this video I'm going to be giving you some of the examples of things you can do. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how you can use Google Bard to assist you when coding. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is actually generating code from photos. So you might be wondering what I mean by that. And here's an example website that I'm going to paste into Google Bard. And I'm then going to ask Google Bard to recreate the website using code. So I've attached that photo and I've just typed in generate some code that will help me create this website. And I'm just going to go ahead and click enter here and we'll see what it gives us. And as you can see, it's just generated it right now. Now, although this isn't some crazy complex website, I still can't get my head around the fact that you can upload an image into this and it actually gives you the code to recreate that site. So as you can see here, it's added a button and it's also named the button another button. So it's read exactly what our image is and it's basically recreated the code. So this is just one example that actually blew my mind with Google Bard. And if we scroll down a bit more, it actually tells us a bit more about it. So it said this code will create a simple website with a button that says another button. The button will be blue with white text and it will be 100 pixels wide and 50 pixels high. And here it gives us some more examples of how we can actually customize the button. Now, as well as generating code from images, we can also generate code just from asking it things. So this time I'm going to ask it to write a function to calculate the factorial of a number. So I'm just going to click enter on that and we'll see what it gives us. And as you can see, here is a function to calculate the factorial of a number in Python. So it's basically just generated all this code just from one sentence, which is absolutely insane. Now, another thing that it can do is actually translate code. So let's just say I wanted to copy this. And I'm just going to say translate this into Java. So I'm just going to paste that in there and we'll see what it gives us this time. And as you can see, here's the translation of the Python factorial function into Java. So as you can see, it's now translated that factorial function into Java from Python, and it also gives an example of how to use the factorial function in Java. And here we can see the output, the factorial of 5 is 20. Now, the next thing this is actually capable of is actually debugging code. So basically what this means is if you're having an error with your code and you've been looking for hours and you can't figure it out, all you have to do now is just paste it into Google Bard and it will tell you what you did wrong, which is going to save people so much time. So I'm going to give an example of that now. So I've pasted in some code here and I'm just going to change this 1 to a 0. And I'm going to see if it's actually able to figure that out and able to fix it for us. So as you can see, it has actually found an error in the code and here's the corrected version. And as you can see, it did actually correct our 0 to a 1 down here. Now, that's just a few of the examples that I've found. However, I do recommend that you try this out for yourself, because if you're having any specific problems, I'd recommend asking Google Bard how to solve them or how to generate code for a certain thing and see what sort of outcome it gives you. Now, hopefully now that you've watched this video, you can actually use Google Bard to help you with your coding. And I hope it does actually save you a lot of time and just makes your life easier in general. So if you did find this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out. And also comment down below if you know of any other things you can use Google Bard for with coding. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.